Tonight involves how long a person has to file an injury claim, statute of limitations.
A lot of people, Lynn, have heard of statutes of limitations, but a lot of people are a little confused by the concept. Here's what I can tell you. It is very, very important that you either settle a personal injury case or file suit before that statute of limitations runs. It's different in different cases, which is another good reason to see a lawyer immediately if you're injured, because if you don't either settle it or file it in time, your claim is barred forever. It doesn't matter how bad the conduct was on the defendant, it doesn't matter how bad you're injured, your claim is over before it ever begins. And so there are some important dates that you must take note of. Number one, the statute begins running on what we call the date of the harm, or the date of the injury, or the date of the loss. Generally in Alabama, you have 2 years from the date of that injury to file your lawsuit, but it could be longer and it could be shorter depending on who the defendant is. And so there's not a one-size-fits-all. That's why it's very important for you to get to an experienced personal injury attorney who can analyze the facts of your case. There are also situations, Lynn, where that 2-year statute can be extended, but they're rare and few and far between, such as in maybe a medical malpractice case, and a physician leaves something inside your body. It happens from time to time, some forceps or a sponge, or cases that have happened. And in all those kind of cases, you sometimes have an additional 2 years after you discover it, but in no instance can it be longer than 4 years from the date of the misplaced sponge or whatever it is. And so there's not a one-size-fits-all. It's important that you get to somebody immediately so that those facts can be analyzed.